Hey there, travelers. I'm Zion Pais Minji Mendoza, your tour guide for today's journey. Let's have fun, super fun adventure, exploring the vibrant heart of the Philippines. The Metro Manila gets ready for amazing place, exciting stories, and lots of fun for today's adventure. Off to visit 4 amazing spots in Metro Manila. The wild and wonderful Manila Zoo and the history-packed Bahay Chinoy and the legendary Fort Santiago and the super fun art in Island. Did you know that the Manila Zoo is home to Mali, a friendly Asian elephant who lived there since 1977 up to the year 2023? She's one of the zoo's most famous residents. Here we are at the famous Manila Zoo, one of the oldest and most exciting zoo in Asia. Already to meet amazing animals and learn fun facts about the wildlife. For our first stop, you can see different animals from huge elephants to mighty tigers and lions. You'll also meet playful monkeys swinging around, and you can even check out the colorful fish swimming in the water. The Manila Zoo is also home to some cool reptiles. Though they may look a little scary, they are quite friendly. And if you take a stroll through the zoo's garden, you might spot beautiful butterflies flying around, which is a fun and exciting experience. From meeting fascinating animals to seeing the beautiful flowers and plants, it's clear that this zoo is a great place for both learning and fun. That's a wrap for our visit to the Manila Zoo. Now let's explore Bahay Chinoy in Intramuros, Manila. This museum gives us a glimpse into the rich life Filipino-Chinese heritage, showcasing fascinating artifacts and stories that tell the unique history of this vibrant community. Did you know that the museum named Bahay Chinoy is derived from the word Bahay, which means house, and Chinoy, a term for Filipino-Chinese people. Here you'll find all sorts of cool things from the past, like old furniture and clothes, and tools that show what life was like for Filipinos, Chinese families a long time ago. Bahay Chinoy is like a time machine that takes you back to learn all about their special history. Now our time machine will take us back to the days of the Spaniards. Get ready for an adventure as we step into Fort Santiago. Did you know that Fort Santiago is where famous Philippine hero Dr. Jose Rizal was imprisoned. Before his execution, yes, it is where he wrote his heartfelt poems, Mi Ultimo Dios. In Fort Santiago, you will find the Rizal Shrine, where you can learn all about our national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal. The fort is full of old walls and gates, which were built many years ago to protect the country. It's a place filled with histories, adventures, and memories of our hero. And for our last stop, get ready to have some fun at Art and Island. Art and Island is an exciting and unique museum where visitors can step inside the artwork itself. This place helps us grow by letting us step into cool paintings and optical illusions that spark our imagination and help us think creatively. Wow, it's an amazing place to learn how to see things from different angles and try out new ideas. Artin Island is a place where you don't just look at art, you jump right into it. And just like that, our adventures for today comes to an end. Until next time, let's look forward to more exciting trips and discoveries together. Again, I'm your Zion, your tour guide. Thank you for watching and see you on our next adventure.